Commercial building cleaning. Commercial building like this that we just got finished washing, it gets done ever so often. It has the same problems as a resident. It develops mold and mildew, especially on the north side. This side, on this particular one, the other side was the worst. This side wasn't too bad. Being whatever that they do here, probably this is brake dust that's attached itself. This would have to come off with a special chemical. But one thing that can seriously affect especially metal buildings is this: oxidation. That chalky look, chalky feeling that metal buildings can get. Ain't no telling how long this building's been here. It's been here for a long time. Probably doesn't get washed too often, but it's interesting because when you run across one like this, you are trying either to clean the mold and mildew without disturbing the oxidation to make it look funny, or you're looking at a restoration job where you're actually going in and you're scrubbing it with an oxidizing remover and trying to get it back down to the original paint. If it was going to be repainted, that you definitely want to remove the oxidation and then repaint. This was just a simple wash, but all sides have oxidation on them, so it's a very soft rinse and a soft soaping process, because you don't want to, disturb the oxidation. You just want it to look nice and white, or whatever color this happens to be, and look good. So there's some different challenges you run into when you deal with commercial versus residential, but it's nothing, it's unusual, it can't be taken care of. Tim Moore, TLC Pressure Washing.